Hey everyone, it's your girl Natural Hair is Key, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this simple braidless crochet with burgundy and 1B hair. So if you are feeling this look, then let's dive right into the video. So I am starting off on freshly washed hair, and I did, blow dry my hair. Then I sectioned off the front of my hair and I did twist all in the front, and now I'm going to flat twist the back. And I did not utilize a comb when I did this, so that's why my parts look crazy. But that part is not going to show, so it's not important. So basically I'm going to flat twist the rest of my hair off camera, and ta-da, this is the finished product. Now I will say, when you are flat twisting your hair, make sure that you flat twist the two twists that are closest to the center of your head. Make sure that you have them closer together and not spaced apart like I did. Like right now, you see me inserting hair in the middle. That's not in the twist because I kind of flat twisted it apart, too far apart, but it's still gonna come together anyway. And now that we made it to the front, I'm just gonna show you how to hide your twist. So you first start off with inserting the crochet hair through your part, and then you loop it through the crochet hole along with your twist, which I'm doing now. Then you want to pull those apart so that you can tighten the knot all the way down to the part. After that, you want to measure where your twist stops, and then if it's too long, you want to start at the middle and then work your way up till you get to your hair, and then make sure you poke the hook out the same direction as your hair, so then you can just pull it in easily and no one will see it. And then you want to make sure you push up the lock hair before you pull it down to cover up your hair, if that makes sense. Then you're going to repeat those steps until you have all your twists covered up. Okay, and I'm just going to repeat those same steps. And here is our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you on my next one.